think I got that one, Hannah. There's my shell. Good dog, Hannah. Dead bird right there. Hunt it up. Dead bird. Right there. You better bring me that bird. Where'd you go? Right there, right there. Get it, get it. Bring me that bird. Atta girl. Bring it. Come on, Hannah. Oh, nice. Atta girl, bring it here. Got a girl. Good puppy dog. Come here. Hey, get it. You bring it. Bring it. Fetch it up. Bring it here. Atta girl. Atta girl. Oh my goodness. Puppy dog. Hey, bring me that bird. You bring me that bird. You bring me that bird right to my hand. Hey, I think that's the first hen we've killed. Good. Good puppy. That's a good puppy. Poor, poor, poor. What is all that? Whoo, feather shock. Where are they at, Hannah? Dead bird. Dead bird, Hannah. Hunt him up. Wow. That was tight. Where's my shell? Right there, right there. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. God bless, man. Hey, 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 hey. Come here, hunt him up. Oh, shoot. Damn tree cut me off. Good girl. Whoa. Easy. Good girl. Good. Okay. Looking pretty promising. Better not have been that Chi-Chi bird. Must be right there. God bless. I think I got one. Bring it. Bring it. Atta girl. Shit, that was bad to the bone.